In this video, I will guide you on how to change language in Twitch. To change the language on the Twitch mobile app, you need to change your phone system language. The Twitch app does not currently have an independent in-app settings for display language, but you can change that on your device's settings. So for that, go ahead and launch open settings on your device. Now scroll down and find the option of General Management. Here you have the option of app languages, select that. Now find the option of Twitch. Then go ahead and select whichever language you prefer over here. Remember that only apps that support language selections are shown over here. So if Twitch is not found over here, then you simply want to head back and then tap on the language option right here. Then tap on add language. Now go ahead and select your preferred language from here. After that, tap on the set as default option. So here, as you can see, once you have opened Twitch, it has been changed into Spanish as well. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.